Hello beautiful people, in this video we're going to be making this very simple and easy body butter, and we're just going to be using 3 ingredients. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. The very first ingredient we're going to be using, of course, is our shea butter. You can also use other butters like mango butter, cocoa butter, avocado butter, but I'm using shea butter. The first step is to transfer my shea butter into my mixing bowl. I'm going to be making the body butter in the mixing bowl, so I'm transferring my shea butter into it. The second ingredient to make this shea butter is our carrier oil. I am using sunflower oil, but you can use any other carrier oil that you love on your skin. Now I'm adding my sunflower oil into my shea butter. Now I'm just going to combine the both of them together and try to break the shea butter into tiny chunks. Now we are going to melt our shea butter using the double boiling method. So heat up a pot of water and then drop your shea butter and oil in the pot of boiling water. The heat and steam from the boiling water is going to gradually dissolve our shea butter. While the shea butter is dissolving, make sure you stir at intervals so as to speed up the process. As you can see now, our shea butter is completely dissolved, and now we can take it off the steam. And this is what it looks like. It looks like oil. It is completely dissolved. Now the next step is to pop this in the freezer and allow it to solidify. Then we will bring it back and whip. After about 30 minutes in the freezer, this is what our body butter now looks like. Now it's time to whip. I'm going to be using my hand mixer. Please do not use the hand mixer you use to make food. So we're going to use this to whip the body butter gradually until we get that fluffy consistency. It's best to whip on low speed so that you can be careful and do it gradually. As you whip, you'll notice that your body butter will become more creamy and lush. After whipping for about 15 to 30 minutes, your body butter should be okay. And here is what we have. It is really beautiful and I love the consistency. It's not too thick and it's not too watery. After whipping to your desired consistency, now it's time to add our last ingredient, which is our essential oil. I am using lavender essential oil. You can use any other sweet smelling essential oil. Adding the essential oil and mix. Once everything is properly mixed, our body butter is now ready. As you can see, this body butter is very easy and simple to make. This body butter is very natural and it will help you maintain that beautiful and radiant skin. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure you like, share, subscribe and drop a beautiful comment. Thank you.